Hello everybody, this is Abraham at North Shore Computer Services, and my cameraman Dmitry is going to be doing some work with me, recording what we're doing. So what we have here is the air conditioner that's not working. Okay, it is a simple problem to fix. It only costs about $20. You can make it cost $10 depending on how prepared you are for the problem. So come over here and let's listen. So I have this nifty thermostat. It's the home. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the air conditioner. So bring it in and I want you to listen to the noises. Okay, so AC is on. You can hear it's making this noise and then goes away. Okay, so a few things we need to make sure first. So let's turn it off. Okay, so the AC is off. First thing we're gonna do, oh, come over here. These are the tools we're gonna be using. We're gonna need socket. We're gonna need a smaller socket. This tool is highly important. Don't underestimate it. This is the part and this is the tester. Okay, so over here. First thing you want to do is stick the stick into the fan and see if it rotates. If it rotates, your motor is okay. Okay, what this usually means is the compressor, the capacitor is no good. So the stick can go. First thing is safety. Everywhere the air conditioners are installed, you're going to have a power communication. So just open it up. Up on top is the air conditioner shut off. So just pull it out, put it on top. The air conditioner is now powerless, but it's not completely powerless. The small voltage is still coming in here. So it's good to use gloves or some kind of hand protection. So come over here, Dima. So the small socket, we're just gonna see which one fits. I already test fitted it, so this one fits okay. Put it on top. So my unit has two screws that hold the access panel in place. So looks like there is a dead mouse in there. The dead mouse did not cause this problem, but what did cause this problem is this unit here. That's a capacitor, and if you come closer, bring it closer, you can see the top of it is bowed. That's too close, right there. It's not flat. It'll be visible when we pull it out. So this thing is held down by two screws, and you go over there. Two screws, pull them out. So get this bracket off. Okay. At this point, it's a good idea to take a phone and snap a picture of how the capacitor is connected. So I'm going to take a phone, snap a picture. Now on the capacitor there are three leads, and one says a C, one has a fan, one says Herm. Herm is your compressor, fan is the top fan, and the two common leads, that's a C. So we just disconnect them like that. We're gonna take our capacitor tester put black one on the C for common. The capacitor has its numbers are, this particular one is 30 microfarad and 5 microfarad. So 5 is the fan and 30 is the compressor. So if we put it on the fan, it should read 5. And it reads 0. Okay, if we put it on the Herm compressor, reads 0. This capacitor is clearly bad. You can see it's bowed. So we have a replacement capacitor, and this one is the voltage on here is so the parameters of this capacitor: 30 microfarads, 5 microfarads at 370 volts. This one here is 35, 440, 370. They don't make strict 370. You can go up in voltage, you cannot go down in voltage. Okay, so let's test this one. So we're gonna put our black lead on the common. Gonna put the red lead on the fan. And it's reading 5, 4.9 within tolerances. Put it on the compressor side. It reads 29.8, which is 30 within tolerances. So this capacitor is good. You do want to test it before you install it. You don't want to do all this extra work and then find out that the capacitor is no good. So let's connect common leads. Fan was brown and compressor was blue. Now this is not given that it's gonna be like that. Okay, let's stick back in there. Okay, so that's all connected. We're gonna use our stick to get rid of the stupid mouse. Looks like it's been dead for a while. Okay, so at this point you don't want to reassemble it just yet. Let's test it out. So with this Nest thermostat, it's really nice that we don't have to go home. So right now the air conditioner is off. One thing we did forget is to plug it back in. So we'll do that. And moment of truth, mode, cool, voila. Air conditioner is fully operational. So we don't want to reassemble it while it's powered up, but there is a delay between you turn on and off air conditioner, so we don't need it right now. It's actually not so hot, so we're gonna turn it off. There you go. Put our cover back on. Thank you, Dima. Okay, so all in all, this job took 20 minutes. This thing broke over the weekend, and for some reason these HVAC guys have the monopoly on parts. You cannot buy them in home improvement stores, they're just not available. So you have to wait until Monday to get it fixed. If you panic, they will come and charge you at least $200–300 for replacing a $10 part, or $20 if you buy it locally. Hopefully this helps somebody. So just a sec. So this is my assistant, Dmitry. Thank you, Dmitry. And subscribe, like. Hopefully this helps.